This is just a quick video tour of your weekly presentation looking at history and the early childhood educator. You're going to go through these slides and I'm going to point out the areas that you need to do your participation on. We start with why history is important. This is a slide to read. And then we'll move straight into a try it out. You're going to follow the website link right here, pressing on that, and choose one historical event from this timeline. You're going to brainstorm how this event is relevant today in the 21st century and how it's important to our early childhood education students, teachers, families, or programs. When you have your ideas, jot them down at this Padlet board right here. So if you click on the pink link, it will take you to our board and you're going to share your answer for participation points. Last, if you get stuck about the event you chose, do a quick Google search and find out a little bit more about that event in history. We'll talk about solving problems in early childhood education. This is a reading slide. This slide, there's an area to read and there's a podcast. Again, this is a reading slide and a podcast. After you do the podcast, if you want to check out Montessori Classrooms, here's a quick video by clicking on the here to see what it looks like to be in a Montessori classroom. They are quite different from regular education. Looking at the United States early childhood education movement, there is a podcast to explain this graphic, and the same thing about the 3 different cultural movements we study in this course. Listen to the podcast for an explanation. Special education is something you'll hear about in all of our courses here at HAC, but early childhood special education has some main laws. Read through those. And then we're going to do a scavenger hunt to look at the educational theorists we study in this course. So these are our theorists we're using for our scavenger hunt. When you're ready, click on this video and it will take you through the scavenger hunt. Jot down your answers and you can even check them at the end, and then you're going to Dropbox your scavenger hunt this week. We move into how Head Start began. This is a reading graphic. And then we have some more information on the Head Start program. So read through that motto as well. Last, I am going to be introducing a project. You'll need to go into the Week 2 folder on D2L for the project handout. And when you have that handout in front of you, watch this project intro video. The video may have a date that is wrong. Please make sure that the date matches the calendar that's attached to your syllabus and also the calendar on D2L. Any deadlines will be correct on D2L and on that course calendar. If you ever watch a video, once in a while I do project videos and I put a due date in and I use the same project video. Just always know to follow the project deadlines that you see on the course calendar and D2L. They're always what is correct. And your assignments for the week, you have the Padlet board on slide 3. You have your scavenger hunt on slide 10. That gets Dropboxed. And then you'll begin your educational theorist activity. Look on Facebook for the sign up for the theorist that you're choosing to do your word cloud on. And you'll want to skim chapter 3.